Busy Bee Products 3. So you know that I sell teas and tonics, like my Liberty tea and my elderberry tonic, but now I have tinctures, and these are tinctures that I have created. So I have Mangliere tincture for winter ailments. I have my Liberty tea in a tincture, so the herbs in here are good for inflammation. And then I have the Juju Go, and it is a cleansing spray. So whether it's for the mind, the body, or the spirit, this will work for it. So I'm so excited. Things are just rocking here at the store. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. I've got more coming. So I'll see you again soon. And until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on!